Got a late driver coming in for Amtrak 353. just showed up. They've been waiting for him to come in. This train's been waiting for the relief driver. They do switches here in Battle Creek, Michigan. This is Amtrak 353. And now they're switching drivers. The other driver's getting into the van. And then his next stop will be Kalamazoo, Michigan. Embarrassing. Late driver for Amtrak 353. Life's totally embarrassing moments. Has that ever happened to any of you out there? Let me know in the comment box if you ever been late for a job before. Just curious. If you ever been late on a job. Yeah, a driver was late for Amtrak 353. Here in Battle Creek, Michigan, I am. And their next stop will be Kalamazoo, Michigan. Now, see, when they did this line, people, they should have added a third line here. And that way, it wouldn't have had tied up freight traffic if, you know, freights are in a hurry, but I'm sure they're not. But still, you know, I'm sure they like to be on schedule. But yeah, next stop, Kalamazoo, Route 353. Next station, Kalamazoo. Next stop, Kalamazoo, Niles, New Buffalo, Hamilton, Winnington, and Chicago. Yeah, I hope people wasn't in no hurry to get anywhere. Yeah, waiting for after he leaves, we'll be getting a westbound train. He's up in the siding, so just got to wait for Amtrak to clear out of here so he can get going. Kind of funny why he's just still sitting there. You think he'd be getting up and going. He's delayed.
Welcome to Amtrak's Battle Creek Station. Amtrak personnel are located throughout the station to assist you. Please check with the ticket office for baggage assistance. Amtrak ticketing machines in the ticket office are available for ticket transactions. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Yeah, don't ask me what he's waiting for. New driver's in there. He knows there's a law, you can't just sit there and block an intersection. I feel sorry for some of these passengers. Yeah, got a CN high railer coming down the track. There goes the CN high railer on the other side.
Attention please. Please secure all personal belongings. Unattended items will be confiscated. All items should have identification tags. Tags are available at the information desk. TSA regulations allow for random passenger identification checks on board trains. Passengers may be also subject to random security screening. Please use handrails on stairs and be aware of moving vehicles and monitor children closely. If you observe suspicious activity or unattended baggage, please notify Amtrak police or personnel or call 1-800-331-0008 or text 27311. If you see something, say something.
Still just sitting here. Got a new driver in there. I don't know what he's waiting for. Everybody's aboard. They're just tying up freight traffic. Hope the freight gets busy.
Amtrak reminds passengers to please take all of your personal belongings. For your safety, stand behind the platform safety strip. Use caution when boarding the train. There is a gap between the train and the platform.
Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it. If you're new and you came along here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. But until my next video, this is Mr. Canada National, and this video's over, and this was filmed on Sunday, May 19th of 2024. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.